हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आशा है आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो बच्चों, यहाँ हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं हमारा नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, जो कि है चैप्टर नंबर 4, एडवांस फीचर्स ऑफ पावर पॉइंट 2016। ओके, नाउ students, presentation means sharing information with the audience. It involves systematic display of text. Presentation is usually supported with graphics, movies, sounds, etc. PowerPoint presentation has a series of slides. The user can add colors, images, sound, and animation effects to these slides. Okay, this helps to increase the impact of the text represented. Okay, PowerPoint presentations are used for various purposes such as business meetings, teachings, corporate seminars, conferences, project presentations, trainings, etc. Okay, PowerPoint presentation offers a number of features that can help us enhance the appeal of a presentation. Visual effects such as movie clips and sound effects such as dialogues and sounds make a presentation very interesting. This is just like watching a movie. Okay, students. Now, PowerPoint was initially named as Presenter and it was released in 1987. Let us learn to use some of these features. Okay, first is students creating a photo album. We can easily import a set of pictures into a presentation using the photo album feature of PowerPoint. It becomes easy to select, rearrange, adjust, and add text to the pictures. By default, one picture will appear on the each side, but we can adjust the slide layout to include multiple images as per our requirement. Okay, students? Now, adding picture from a file or the text, you have to follow these steps. Students, click on the insert tab, click on the down arrow of the photo album in the pictures group. A new menu will open. Click on the new photo album. A photo album dialog box will open. Okay, go to the insert picture from and click file or text button. Okay, the insert new pictures dialog box will open. Locate the folder that contains the picture to insert an album. Then click insert. We can see names of added pictures appear in the box under pictures in album. Okay, we can see the preview of a picture file in photo album dialog box and under preview section. To preview the picture, just click the file names in the box under pictures and albums. Okay, students, now in the 8th point, the order of the picture can be changed if required. In pictures under album box, click the file that has to be moved. There are up and down arrow buttons under the pictures and albums box. Use these buttons to move the file up or down in the list. Okay, under album layout, choose print picture layout, frame shape, and theme. Okay, we can remove or rotate the photo, increase and decrease the contrast or brightness of the picture. Then click create. Okay, students, now let's learn to add a caption. Adding a caption. Caption means name or explanation added to an image. It describes each photo in the photo album. It makes the photo album informative. Follow the steps to add a caption. First is add a picture. Click on the insert tab, go to pictures group, click on the drop down arrow of the photo album. A new menu will open. Click on the added photo album, the added photo album dialog box under the picture options. Click the captions below all pictures checkbox. Okay, now if the checkbox is unavailable, the first choose a layout from the picture layout. Click update. PowerPoint uses file name as a caption by default. In normal view, we can click the caption text placeholder to change the caption as we wish. Okay, students, now changing the appearance of a picture. Follow the steps to change the appearance of a picture in the photo album. Open the photo album presentation containing the picture to change the appearance. Click on the insert tab, go to the pictures group, click photo album down arrow, a new menu will open. Click on the added photo album, the added photo album dialog box will open. Okay, now we can do the following things to change the appearance of a picture. To display all the pictures in the photo album in the black and white, go to the pictures option, check the all pictures black and white checkbox. Okay, now here's a fact folder given students. We can use animations such as curtains, crush, or honeycomb in the presentation, as it tend to be visually heavy and grab the attention of the audience. Okay, to select the layout for the pictures, go to the album layout, go to the picture layout list, click on the drop down button. A list will open. Select the desired layout. To add a frame to the pictures, go to the album layout, go to frame shape list, click the drop down button. A list will open. Select the frame shape that looks good with all of the pictures in the photo album. Okay, now to select a theme for the photo album, go to the album layout, go to theme, click browse. The theme dialog box will open. Click on the desired theme, click select. Okay, to rotate the picture, go to the pictures in album list, click on the picture. To rotate the picture clockwise, click rotate. To rotate a picture counterclockwise, click this button. Okay, to increase or decrease the contrast, first in pictures and album list, click on the picture. To increase the contrast, click this, and to decrease the contrast, to click this. To increase or decrease To increase or decrease the brightness of the picture, first in pictures in album list, click on the picture. To increase the brightness, click this button. To decrease the brightness, click this button. Okay. Now students, let's learn about the transition effects. Transition effects appear when we move from one slide to another during the slideshow. We can add the same transition effect to all the slides or give a different transition effect to every slide. Okay. Follow the steps to add slide transition, students. Now here, go to the transition tabs, go to the transition to the slide group, click on more button. A menu with the transition options will open. Choose a style of transition. We can use effect options to add visual effects to the transition. Okay, we can preview the effect using the preview button. Okay, inserting audio and video files, students. So sound effects can really make a presentation stand out. We can record our voice to use in the presentation. We can also use sound clips from the computer or the internet, songs from CDs, movies, clips, etc. Okay, adding different types of media to a presentation makes it more attractive and keep the audience engaged. Now inserting a audio file. Follow the steps to add sound to the presentation. You have to first copy the sound files in the folder where the presentation is saved. In the slides and outline pane, click on the slides tab. Click a slide to add the sound. Click on the insert tab and go to the media group. Click the arrow under audio button. Okay. The two options will appear, students: audio from my PC and record audio. Audio from my PC, click this option. Insert audio dialog box will open. Locate the folder that contains the file. Click the file, then click insert button. Now record audio, students. Click this button. Click this option. Record sound window will open. We can record our own voice to add in it to the presentation. Okay. Now we can set a sound to a slide. Sound icon will appear on the slide. We can also make the sound icon invisible. Follow the steps to hide the sound icon. Click on the sound icon. The new playback tab will open. Click on the playback tab. Go to the audio options group. Click check hide during show option. Okay. Now narration recordings. Okay, students can record their own narration to the PowerPoint presentation slide by slide, which can be played back till they fully understand it. We need a microphone, sound card, and the speakers to record our voice. Okay, follow the steps to record narration. Open presentation in PowerPoint. Click on the slideshow tab. Go to the setup group. Click record slideshow button. Record slideshow dialog box will appear. Okay. Now choose a desired type of recording, students, not shown. Click start recording to begin recording. The slide will begin just like a live version. Click to advance each slide. Okay. Now we can use following shortcuts to control the sound, students. If you want to mute the sound, click Alt plus U. If you want to toggle between play and pause, click Alt plus P. To stop media playback, click Alt plus Q. We can rehearse our presentation to fit it within a time limit. Click on the slideshow tab to go to the setup group. Click rehearse timings. The rehearse toolbar will appear. The slide time box begins timing the presentation. Okay. Now students, here's a fact folder given. In PowerPoint, we can insert the audio file types: AIFF audio, MIDI, advanced audio coding, Windows audio, AU audio, MP3, Windows Media audio. Okay. Now inserting a video file, students. PowerPoint allows us to add videos on our computer as well as from the internet. Follow the steps to insert a video to the presentation in the slides or outline pane. Click on the slides tab. Click a slide to add the sound. Click on the insert tab. Go to the media group. Click the arrow under video button. Okay. Now, a drop-down menu displays two options. The options are online video. It selects and inserts a video file from the internet. Some websites such as YouTube allows us to insert a video in our slides. The video will not be inserted in the slide. Only the URL of the web page of the video and the thumbnail is inserted. So the video will play directly from the website. All the video controls such as play, pause, volume, etc. are also on the website. So when we play the video, we must be connected to the internet. Okay. The URL of the video is pasted on the online video dialog box. The thumbnail appears in the slide. The video playing on the slideshow. Notice the name of the website and the control buttons. Video on my PC, student. Selecting this option opens the insert video dialog box. Browse to the location for the video file. Follow the steps to insert the video from the system. You have to select the video file. Click on the insert button. Okay. The video will be added to the slide. Click on the play or pause button. Will play or pause the video file. When the video plays, the timeline indicates the duration of the video played so far. Okay, students. Now creating animation effects. Animation helps us to make a presentation more dynamic and also helps to make the information memorable. The most common types of animation effects include entrances and exits. Sound can also be added to increase the intensity of the animation effects. So follow these steps to add animation effects. Select the object to add animation. Click on the animations tab. Go to the animation group. Click more button. A menu showing various animation styles will open. Click on the desired animation effect. Creating custom animation. Follow the steps to create custom animation. Click on the animations tab. Go to the advanced animation group. Click on animation pane. Animation pane will open on right side of the window. Click add animation button to add another effect. If we don't use add animation button, we won't add a new effect to the object. Instead, we can change the effect we have applied. Okay. Timing group on the animation tab is used to coordinate when each effect starts and how long it lasts. Okay. An animation can start on the mouse click, or it can start with the previous animation, or it can start after the previous animation. To watch how it all works together, click preview on the animation tab. Now printing the presentation, students. Follow the steps to print a presentation. Click on the file tab, the backstage view appears. Click on the print option from the left pane in the backstage view, the print screen appears. The pane has different print options to print the presentation. Select the print option based on the requirement. The options are print all slides and print selection. Print all slides, choosing this option will print all the slides in the presentation. Print selection, this option will print only the selected slides from the presentation. Now print current slide, this option prints only the current slide option. Okay. Custom range, this option let us to select the print range of our own. Okay. Choose a layout to print. For example, full page slides prints only one slide of a presentation on the entire page. Now click on the print button. So this is how you can print, okay, your presentation. Now students, let's learn the throwback points given in this chapter. So PowerPoint presentation has a series of slides. By default, one picture will appear on each slide. The PowerPoint presentation offers a number of features that can help us to enhance the appeal of the presentation. We can easily import a set of pictures including a presentation using a photo album feature of PowerPoint. Caption describes each photo in the photo album. It makes the photo album informative. Adding different types of media to the presentation makes it more attractive and keeps the audience engaged. We can rehearse our presentation to fit it within a time limit. The PowerPoint allows us to add videos stored on our computer as well as from the internet. Animation helps to make a presentation more dynamic and also helps to make information memorable. We can take the print of the presentation using the print option in the file tab. So the students, here you are done with this chapter. I hope you understood this chapter. So students, we will meet in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, keep revising, keep learning, students. Thank you, all the best, and keep doing practicals. Okay.